Hi guys, join me as I walk you through the journey of how we beaded this beautiful dress. We started with the waistline and it came out so beautiful. Here is the outcome. Then we moved to the bustier area. We created a fake corset design on this bustier. Here is also the outcome of the first place. Then the second bustier came up later. It was looking beautiful and we had to do more. We had to draw some other designs inside this corset look. This is the outcome for the two. Then these are other designs we drew inside this corset, fake corset look. So we covered it with other beads and it came out looking just so beautiful. It looks so beautiful, guys. This is the finished look. We beaded the sleeves and here, here. I love this so much. We are your one-stop shop for everything beading. Wedding dresses, ashebi dresses, party dresses. We also train people both digitally and physically on beading. We can train you from a beginner to a pro in beading. Call the number in the comment section and reach out to us. We are in Lagos. There is also accommodation if you want to learn, and you can also send your dresses to us to bead from our factory here. We are a beading company. My name is King's Goodness and welcome to my page. This is Coxatilia. Bye.